Hello my dear students, a very warm welcome to you, especially in this very special series of video lectures. I hope that these videos are going to benefit you a lot and you would enjoy learning through these interesting, engaging, animated videos. This presentation is about tools and techniques of evaluation. So far we have already seen what measurement and evaluation means in education. When we talk about tools of evaluation, we can say that tools are the instruments used for measuring the learning outcomes such as question papers, rating scales, etc. And when we talk about techniques, we say techniques of evaluation consist of tests and other items for measuring. Let's see one example of techniques and tools. We can say that observation is a technique while checklist is a tool. Tools and techniques both are required to gather information about a learner's performance. These should be valid, reliable and usable. Then only we can use these tools. Information gathered through them can be interpreted in terms of three levels which are very important. First is when we evaluate a learner's performance, we do this with reference to the learner himself or herself and the current status of the progress. We talk about their present progress, whereas with reference to the peer group means what is their standing as we compare them to the other students of the class, and third is with reference to the criteria. What are the expectations from the students and what they have achieved. An evaluation tool is a means of appraisal scientifically designed to evaluate or measure what is required to be evaluated or measured. So this is very important. Let us talk about specific tools now. There are various specific tools which we should know as teachers. First is anecdotal record. It is used to assess the past behavior of the student. Then aptitude. They are used to measure the potential performance and special ability of the students. Whereas inventories are used to assess the experience of the inner feelings of the individuals through question papers, and rating scales are used to classify opinion and judgments regarding situations and objects. Teacher-made and standardized tests are the specific tests and teacher-made tests to see the achievement and performance of the student. Whereas observation is a technique which deals with the external behavior in controlled or uncontrolled situations. Information can be best collected about learners in natural settings. There are two types of observation we can see out here in the presentation. First are non-structured observation, which are open or natural observation and allows collection of a rich variety of information. In such situations, the observer is present at the site but does not control anything, does not manipulate. Observer record things in natural settings and lot of practice and skills are needed to record the events of importance. Whereas a structured observation, observer observes the phenomena under structured conditions and the situation may also be simulated and observed. Techniques allow the evaluator to observe particular behaviors, and people may behave the way they think they should behave rather than the way they really behave. The advantages of observation are that the various aspects of personality development can be assessed through observations, can be used to assess individuals as well as groups, and assessments can be made during varying time periods. Over time, detailed observation of behavior allows teachers to know more about the child. And there are certain concerns which should be there kept in mind. Teachers should avoid jumping to the conclusions dependent on the skill of the observer, which determines what is observed, and it requires sensitivity and unobtrusiveness in the way the observation is done. Observations to be made over a period of time across different activities and settings. So this was all about the tools and techniques of evaluation. See you soon. Thanks for watching.